Have you ever wondered what it's like to witness the raw, untamed power of our planet? Today, we're taking you to the very edge of a colossal volcano, just moments before it unleashes its fury. Imagine the ground trembling beneath your feet, a deep guttural roar echoing from the Earth's core. This isn't a movie, it's a hyper-realistic look at one of nature's most awe-inspiring and terrifying spectacles. Watch as mountains of ash billow into the sky, blotting out the sun, and rivers of molten rock carve new paths of destruction. It's a stark reminder of nature's immense power. If you find this as breathtaking as we do, hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible glimpses into our world's most extreme events. Thanks for watching.